Would you like to stay in this hotel?
No, I wouldn't, because it's very old.
Yes, it's very old, right? It's very old, it's dirty, it has a lot of problems. So, what does the activity consist on? Pay attention, please, and take notes, because I cannot repeat and I will erase this text. First, identify, okay? I will be very explicit with the explanation. You are going to work in pairs. Yes? Pay attention. First, identify 5 problems in this room. That's the first. Now, when you identify the problems, you have to use the vocabulary that we learned in activity 5, in the grammar. Yes, remember in the grammar activity, we learned then, found, broken, etc. Is that part clear to you? Excuse me, is that part clear to you? So, for example, Juanita, Juanito work. Okay, Juanita, look at this room. What problems do you think they are? Oh, well, look at the ceiling. The techo, yes, look at the ceiling. The ceiling looks cracked and it is stained. Okay, how about you? What do you think? Well, the room is two sides. The floors also look stained, and the curtains look very old, for example. Yes, except but you need to include some vocabulary. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
How do you say refrigerator in English?
Sideboard. Let me write it here. Sideboard. Can you see?
Yes, miss.
Okay, sideboard. Better, when it says identify 5 problems, you have to do it in a conversation with your partner. When you finish this, what's the second part? When you finish this, give agree on ways to improve each of the problems. Yes? How? In this part, you have to use the expressions. Use the expressions to give informal suggestions. Okay, so in this part, once you identify the problem, okay, so we have 5 problems. The ceilings are staying. What can we do? Okay, Juanito says, oh, Juanita, instead of saying, why don't you? Because it's a group, you say, oh, why don't we clean the ceiling and call somebody to repair the cracks. Oh, that sounds like a good idea. If you don't like it, oh, I don't think that's a good idea. It will cost a lot of money. Have you thought about repairing it ourselves? Oh, yes, that's better because we will not spend too much money, etc. Okay? Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Yeah, pay attention. When you finish this activity, at the end of this activity, each pair, okay, you and your partner should have, I don't know, you can write in your computer, on a piece of paper, etc. Oops, I'm sorry. 2 things. Yes, you need to have a list of the problems you identify, and you need to make a list of the solutions for each of the
It's clear, miss, but
It's
I
clear?
have a question.
Yes.
Miss, how do you say contratar in English?
Contratar in English is, here it is in color red, hire.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Other questions? Please, I suppose you have taken notes of the instructions because I will erase the instructions right now. Yes, somebody had a question.
Yes, miss. Is 5 problems for each person or what?
No, what does it say here? Work in pairs. In pairs, identify 5 problems in this room. Together. Yes?
Okay.
Together. You need to do it as a conversation. Juanito, what problems do you think this has? I think the walls are dirty and stained. Oh, yes, you're right. Okay, you listed here. And another problem that you think, oh, the furniture looks old and dirty, I don't know, yes? Etc. So you have to list 5 problems together. The 2 steps, 1 and 2, have to be done together in pairs. Using the language I am telling you here. Okay, is no give. Okay? Any problems? Any questions?
Now, miss.
Okay.